Looking to post WhatsApp status videos longer than 30 seconds? I've got you covered. Even though WhatsApp limits status videos to 30 seconds, I'll show you how to easily share longer videos. Let's dive in. Let me show you how to do that. So you'll need to download a third-party app for this. Open Play Store, search for Video Splitter for WhatsApp. Now install the app you find. After installing it, open the app, tap Import Video. Allow the app access to your phone storage, and allow all the other permissions that are asked. After that, select the long video you want to split. Now in the split video menu, select the split to 30 seconds. Then press save in the top right corner to begin the splitting process. You can also choose the quality after this. Say your preferred quality and then hit start. Let the process end. After that, tap on view files. You will see that your video has been split into 30-second parts. Now get out of that app and open WhatsApp. After opening, start uploading your status. You should find the split videos in the recents panel. So find the first video among the split from here, tap and hold the first video, and select the rest of the videos in order by tapping on them. Then tap on the green check mark in the bottom right corner. Now you can see that the status is set into different videos. Each of them is in order. Tap the green forward arrow icon and your status will be uploaded right there. That's how you can post long videos on your WhatsApp status, since WhatsApp doesn't allow direct sharing of long videos. We have to use these workarounds. But hey, they do the job perfectly. I hope this video was helpful. Catch you in the next one.